Hi, this is Mark with Frontline Roofing, proudly serving Richmond. A common concern during roof replacement projects is, how do you check and repair the wood decking? Richmond's coastal conditions often expose roofs to moisture, which can damage decking over time. Once old roofing materials are removed, professional roofing contractors inspect the decking for rot, mold, and soft spots. Any damaged sections are replaced to provide a strong base for the new roof. Frontline Roofing prioritizes deck inspection and repair to ensure every roof replacement, residential or commercial roofing, is durable, leak-resistant, and built for long-term protection, reducing future roof repair needs.